Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got the FULMINARE. FULMINARE. It's the PU-PO7 air purifier. I needed an air purifier for my laser cutter. I was smoking up the whole room that I was in, so we're going to give this thing a try. It looks like it's got, I guess, Type-C import port, 3 gears purification, and HEPA filter. So hopefully it'll work good. And it says mute and low noise. Look how happy that family is on there. You know, they're happy. It's got to be good. And then here's more information about them. I guess if they want, if you need any help, you can contact their support. But let's see what this looks like. Oh, here's the barcode for it. I don't know if scanning that does anything for you, but that's what it would be. So let's open this up and see what we got. So first off, we have our instructions. So this is the, here, I'll show you guys the instructions on the actual side that you need. So if you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in. I kind of zoomed in for you. There you go. And basically tells us to push the power button. There we go. Oops, hope I didn't break it. And let's see what we got in the box. We have a little strap. I guess this is the handle for it. It was portable. And then here's the device. And it had a wire, so that's everything that it comes with. So if we put the strap on here, this strap has a tiny little hole and a big, oh, it's got a slit in it. Okay, Neil. There we go. Okay, I've got one side on. I'll show you guys how I'm doing it here. You just kind of slide it through and slide it back to the other side. And twist it up a little bit here. And there we go. Okay, so there, you can take it with me. Does it say, warning, unlock the bottom cover and remove the plastic bag of the filter before use. So let's do that. So we can unlock the bottom cover by twisting it that way. Oh yeah, look at that. It's in a big old plastic right here. There, let's see how that filter is. If I hold it up to the light, I see nothing, can't see through it, but that's what it is. It should be a HEPA filter of some sort. Although I guess I see a little bit of light through it. I do see some light through it. Hopefully it'll be able to trap the smoke and stuff. And then this is the fan for it. So let me put it back together here. I guess there's no battery in it. It just has to be plugged in. So let's plug it in. Uh-oh. It's USB to USB-C. I wonder if this plug will work that I have in the outlet here, because it's USB-C to USB-C. It doesn't come with one of the nuggets, so that's one little negative for it. But let's see if we can just plug it into anything here and it'll work. Yep, there we go. Oh, look at that, it lights up. How cute is that? And there we go. There's one. Man, that's super quiet. It's hot because it was outside. The more I push it, so it changes colors and stuff. Let's see what I'm supposed to do here. Push the power button for the first time to turn automatic mode, and the fan switches gears according to the air quality. So it kind of recognizes the air quality on there. And then if I push it again, the power button is the air quality indicator. And then I can push it again and get it going a little bit faster, 2 and 3. There, now you can hear that. I mean, it's not silent, but very cool. So I guess it's sucking in the air from all around and blowing it out the top. So kind of cool. Nice little air purifier. Very cool. Super convenient. Nice and small. And it's nice and portable too. So if I have it next to my my laser engraver, I'll be able to move it around because my laser engraver is portable as well. So very good. So I like it. So this is really cool. So it's FULMINARE is the brand, and it's the air purifier is the box again. And I'm gonna say, cool, thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.